Are you looking for a free AI tool to generate images or consistent characters for your project? Look no further. In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing free AI tool that helps you create stunning images. This tool is free, fast, user-friendly, and the best part is there's no limit to how many images you can generate. At the time I'm making this video, you can use it to create images for storytelling channels, children's books, or even your social media account. Without further ado, let's dive right in. The AI tool we'll be using is PicLumen. To start with this tool, click the link in the description below and it will take you to the website. Click here to log in with your Google account or enter your email and password here, then click Sign In. Once logged in, navigate to the Create section. To generate a 3D Pixar-style animation, click here and select the Flux.1 model. Type your prompt here, or if you've already prepared it, paste it in and click Generate. To create a consistent character, enable Fixed Seed, enter any seed number you want here and keep it the same while generating images for your consistent character. After entering your seed number, paste in your prompt and click Generate. If you're not sure how to write prompts, no worries. I've included this sample prompt in the description below. Feel free to customize it to fit your need. You can also check out my other videos on how to create consistent characters to learn all the tips and tricks I use to maximize consistency across scenes. Please generate all scenes of your consistent character before changing or removing the seed number. To turn off the fixed seed option, just click here. You can also use the image reference future to generate your consistent character. To do so, click here, upload your image reference, write your prompt here, select the type of reference you want, and click here to generate. This tool also allows you to create other types of images like realistic photos, anime, or line art for various projects. To change the model, click here, select your desired model, write your prompt and click Generate. By default, images are square, but you can change the size by clicking here, selecting your preferred dimensions and generating. You can also generate multiple images at a time. To change the number of images per generation, simply select one of these four options. Sometimes this AI may struggle with consistency, so if you notice any character variations, just tweak the prompt a bit or add a negative prompt here and generate again. I've tested different models within PicLumen, and the realistic model seems to give the best results for consistent characters, though the images tend to look more realistic than animated. You can adjust the style by specifying terms like inspired by Moana or Disney style in your prompt. Currently, there's no limit to how many images you can create, so explore the models to find what works best for you. If you don't like an image, just generate another until you're satisfied. That's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel and means a lot to me. See you in the next one. Take care.